Hello friends, Nadia from Nadia's Crafty Corner here to answer a very popular question I get very often, how to wood burn poly burlap. So let's go through it. We'll show you step by step. Poly burlap comes in 10 inches wide by 10 yards long, can be purchased in many different places, and it is a plastic coated material that if we simply go ahead and cut it with scissors, it will fray and it will give us a look that we don't particularly want when we are putting a flower together. So you see how simple and easy it is to pull all the strings away, and we definitely don't want that look on our beautiful wreath now, do we? So we are going to use what it's called a wood burning tool. Please see the link in the description. I get mine from Amazon. It is the best one I found so far. Comes with the tip, and that's the one I use. I don't change the tip. That's what I use to cut my burlap. You also might want a cutting mat that's only for measuring purposes. However, there are other ways to measure, and I will show you. We do use this amazing counter glass cover. The link is below. I also get that from Amazon, and we use it to protect the surface as we are using a wood burning tool. It does come with a rough side and a smooth side. We want the smooth side. I usually remove the little feet if it comes with it and use that side. If you don't have a cutting mat, you can get a ruler and just make a 10-inch mark on the top and on the bottom. So that way, when we are cutting, we know exactly where to go. Usually the petals that we make are 10 inches wide. The poly burlap comes with vertical lines and horizontal lines. You want to make sure you cut in between the vertical lines. So take your time and make sure that you cut it straight. The first strip, of course, because we just purchased the roll, we want to cut off maybe a couple of inches to clean it up. Okay, friends, now we are nice and close to our poly burlap, and we are on the 10-inch mark, so we can go ahead. So you can see I'm going in between the vertical lines, taking my time to make sure that I am going straight, first of all, and that I'm cutting a clean line all the way through so that we get this nice clean edge. So that's how we finish off beautiful edges on both sides of our poly burlap for then to use to make our beautiful petals. I will link below more videos where I show you how to make petals and how to use this in a wreath. See you soon, guys.